How to set up Verizon Fios router. First, connect the Verizon Fios router to the power outlet and turn it on. Next, connect the Ethernet cable from the Verizon ONT to the Internet port on the router. Wait a few minutes until the router light becomes solid to show it is ready. Now open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer and find the router network name. Enter the Wi-Fi password written on the label of the router to connect. After connecting, open a web browser and type myfiosgateway.com or http://192.168.1.1. Follow the on-screen setup instructions shown by the router page. Change the Wi-Fi name and password if you want better security and easy use. Save the settings and wait for the router to restart automatically. Finally, test the internet by opening a website to confirm the setup is complete. Thank you for watching.